going to demonstrate how to separate and uppot a Sansevieria. Now, a Sansevieria can be a pretty tough plant. I never quite know what I'm going to find when I start dividing it. So I'm squeezing the pot a little bit. That's to loosen up the roots and just gently pulling it out. All right. And there's so many offsets that I could divide it a couple ways. If I wanted to, I could just divide it in half or just take off part of it. And that would leave this piece ready to be potted to be its own individual plant. But I'm going to go ahead and take off this section as well. And this can look a little scary, but for a Sansevieria, this is just fine to divide up a plant this much. And with this piece, I'm going to put it into this size pot, just because that looks about right for the root ball size. I'm going to put a little soil in the bottom, then position the plant, then fill in around with more potting soil. Now I'm planting it at the same depth that it was in the previous pot. Tucking the soil down, I'm not pressing it down, just making sure that it's settling into all of the little nooks and crannies. Then I'm going to give it a little sprinkle of fertilizer around the edges of the pot, not right up against the stem, because that can burn the plant as the fertilizer is released. So now the plant is ready to fill out again. And I now have 1, 2, 3 other sections ready to go in their own pots. So I'll go ahead and pot those up, and now one plant has become 4.